Next this evening, the deadly flu, now officially declared an epidemic across America. Late today, in fact, the CDC out with new and alarming numbers on the virus, revealing, among other things, that the rate of hospitalized children under 5 years old has now doubled in just 2 weeks. Flu season likely reaching its peak right now, with 49 states reporting widespread flu. Health officials reporting at least 7 pediatric deaths just this week. Here's ABC's Steve Osunsami with what you need to know.
Already, this mother, this little boy, and even this personal trainer have all died from this year's flu. The CDC tonight is calling it an epidemic, with more than 13 weeks of the flu season to go.
This is just a problem bug. We hate it when this bug shows up, and we probably are going to see a lot of hospitalizations and deaths.
Here in Atlanta, where they showed us today their plentiful supply of flu shots for anyone who needs, hospitals are seeing a flood of patients.
Compared to last year, we've tested nearly twice as many patients as we have the year before, and we're seeing about 4 times as much flu.
And there's another problem. Hospitals need bags of IV fluid to treat the flu, and there's a shortage after Hurricane Maria shut down a factory in Puerto Rico. At Mass General in Boston, they're having to give patients Gatorade instead. In northern Idaho, an entire school system had to cancel classes. There were so many cases. This New York doctor explains to our TJ Holmes that the virus can live for up to 24 hours on revolving doors and elevators.
Don't touch the door with your hands.
Don't touch the door.
You can push it with your elbow, you can push it with your back, anything that's not going to touch your face afterwards.
Across the country, hospitalizations of children under 5 have doubled in the last 2 weeks. And this particular strain of flu that we're seeing the most is especially hard on children and seniors. David?
Steve Osunsami with us tonight. Steve, thank you. Dr. Jen Ashton is back with us, and we've reported several interesting things, Jen, this week about the flu vaccine, the flu shot itself. We've known for a long time it takes 2 full weeks to kick in, but now we've learned that at some point along the way it starts to kick in and lessens the symptoms no matter what. But you were telling us something today, that even if the flu shot isn't a perfect match for the strain, it still helps.
Absolutely, David. And anyone listening tonight, if you have not been vaccinated, get that vaccine. There is some data that suggests that if you get the vaccine and you get the flu after that, you face lower risk of serious complications like pneumonia, hospitalization, even death, particularly in children, and your symptoms may be less severe. So some protection is better than no protection.
So if you get the shot and then get the flu anyway, it still helps.
Absolutely.
All right, Dr. Jen Ashton with us again tonight. Jen, thanks.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.